Hello, and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is on my weekend. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. My weekends are very important to me because I have time to relax, enjoy my hobbies, and spend time with my family. On Saturday morning, I wake up at 7:30. I don't like to wake up too late because I want to make the most out of the day. I usually have breakfast with my husband. We have toast with butter and jam and drink coffee or tea. After breakfast, I like to go for a walk with my dog Max. We walk around the park near our house. Max loves to run and enjoy the fresh air and the quiet morning. Sometimes after my walk, I go to the supermarket. I buy food for the weekend. I usually make a list of things we need so we don't forget anything. After shopping, I like to relax. I love reading books, so I spend time reading a good novel. On Saturdays, I also watch my favorite TV show in the afternoon. I like comedies and sometimes documentaries. In the evening, my husband and I usually cook together. We take turns cooking, so we both enjoy it. Sometimes we make pasta with sauce. And other times we cook a big salad with chicken. After dinner, we like to watch a movie or listen to music. We also spend time talking, maybe about our week or plans for the next day. On Sunday, I wake up a little later, around 9. Sundays are my favorite days because I have more time to relax. I start the day with a long breakfast, and we sometimes make pancakes or eggs with bacon. After breakfast, we do some house cleaning. I don't like cleaning, but it's necessary. I vacuum the floor, I clean the kitchen, and I organize the living room. In the afternoon, I like to do something creative. I love painting, so I often paint on Sundays. I set up my painting materials and I spend a few hours painting pictures of nature, like trees or flowers. It's very relaxing for me. And it helps me feel calm. After painting, I usually go for a walk in the afternoon, especially if the weather is nice. Sometimes I meet my friends at a park or at a cafe. We chat and enjoy a cup of coffee together. I like spending time with my friends because it makes me feel happy. In the evening, we have a simple dinner. Sometimes we eat leftovers from the weekend, or we cook something easy like soup or sandwich. After dinner, I enjoy watching TV or reading a book before going to bed. So, That's what I usually do on the weekend. It's a mix of relaxing, hobbies, and spending time with my family and friends. I think weekends are important because they give me the energy to start the week with a positive attitude. Now, let's check on your understanding. Answer these questions. What time do I wake up on Saturday morning? I wake up at 7:30 on Saturday morning. What do I usually do after breakfast on Saturday? I go for a walk with my dog Max. What is my favorite thing to do on Sunday afternoon? I love painting on Sunday afternoons. What do I do on Sundays in the morning? I have a long breakfast and do some house cleaning. How do I spend my Sunday evening? I spend my Sunday evening watching TV or reading a book before going to bed. If you have answered correctly to all the questions, you have done a very good job. Keep working and see you next time. Bye bye.